how you can make profit by using the moving average. Moving average that's one bomb bagay di. Alfred, everybody going. Just click and share the live, and then we're gonna be for a couple of minutes today, and we're gonna talk about moving average. By the way, we have a class that we invite people to take. So people going to come up with the tools trading viewer. In this class, we teach you all those tools there because some people they don't know how to use those tools, and I teach you step by step how to add them as your favorites. C'est you n'a pas app qui gagne qu'on capable utiliser, but at the same time, nous mettons un link tout qu'on peut acheter TradingView app là. With my link, you're gonna pay less because the links you just have a 15% discount there. I will put the link for you. And also the class is only $100 because this class we teach you step by step how to use those tools in TradingView. And not only that, we teach you about those candlestick. So how you can use those candlestick step by step. But Judia, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody doing good and just click share the live. I'm gonna teach you about one thing here, one moving average, one best moving average that you can use into your short. If there is one moving average that you can use, one of the best one called 9 moving average. It's called 9 moving average. I'm gonna teach you that because we're gonna do today some technical analysis. What is a technical analysis? A technical analysis most of the time is a method of use to evaluate and predict future of price movement. And that's what we're gonna see today. Most of the time, the stock market been doing 3 things. Market a fait 3 bagages chaque jour. Every day, that's it. 3 things it's been doing. Stock is been good going. By the way, we're gonna do some technical analysis for you, so that's what we're gonna do. But the stock market been doing 3 things today. Market a c'est 3 bagages qu'il fait. Not only he do that, he going up, down, up, down. It's going up, down. Sometimes it's going sideways. And sometimes it's move lower, it break. Sometimes we have sometimes something that's called support. We can do a support here. Sometimes it goes there. Let's just say we call this one support. We go back and create support. Stock markets. Sometimes the candle can come back here and move back up. And we have what you call a resistance. We go back and create resistance in the stock market. And sometimes resistance can become support and support can become resistance. So we call this resistance. I put this as resistance. Okay, let's just call this one resistance. So we're just gonna go very slow for beginner. We just do that especially for beginner. So most of the time, this stock can break, moving higher. It can break. We have what we call fake break. It can just break there, like it breaks the resistance, and then come back here, and then just do it a little bit like this. It hits back. Sometimes it hits. It's like a wall. It's just a break. It just stay there. Cannot break the wall. It just stay back there. And sometimes and then come back here and it's go here. It's break that resistance. And then what it does sometimes, and then it go back, it goes there, and then it go back, hit that support here. Most of the time when it hits that support, and now you see what happened there? That this support can become a resistance again. Because what happened? That support here can become resistance. You know why? Because at any time it can move back lower here, and it's create another support here. That's why we call the resistance can become support can become resistance, and then come back there. That's why I've been told you, stock been doing only three things every day. Three things. But most of the times, it is doing two things. That's why we've been seeing in the Wall Street. You see people being fight. There's a fight always every day between the buyers and the sellers. This is the fight that's been having. Qui gagne dans le market à chaque jour. C'est un fight. The buyers push the price up. We just go very slow. It's just for a beginner. The buyer just push the price up, and then back there, the seller push it down. It's a fight. There's nothing more in the stock market every day. It's a buyer, it's a box, it's a buyer and the seller, buyer and seller. And sometimes it been going one way. We call that sideways. As you can see that we call this side here, we call it sideways here. We call it sideways. But most of the time, market a fait un seul bagay qui going up, down, and then now back there we just call this line short. We just do it as a line short. We call it line short. What I'm showing you is a line short. But most traders been using like candlestick back here. Those candles. See? Those candles. This is what we're gonna talk today. After that, I'm gonna what is used. But I'm teaching you now first thing about this. Now, this fight is three things in short. Is either is going up and down, and then we have what you call sideways back here. So when you buy, just always just put there. When you buy, you always buy back there at the bottom. That's the place for you to buy. You buy here, at the bottom. And then you sell at the top. So we call, most of the time, we call this one. We call support and resistance forces. We call this one support. And then we call this one resistance. R for resistance and S for support. And stock been doing, as I've been told you, I just going very slow with you. Stock is going like this, going up from support to the resistance, and it's going back again to the support. Don't worry, he's gonna go back there, and that's why that's why I always told people, whatever you've been missing, you don't chase the stock. For instance, if you have to buy back there, whenever the stock is going up back here, Don't chase it. Don't go after it. Because you know why? Whatever has been going up will come back down. So it will come back there again. So if you've been missing it back here, you will catch it again. Either later, today, tomorrow, but it will go back to the same place again. That's the way the stock market. You don't chase it. Ever, never, and ever chase. Don't chase it. Don't chase the stock. You have to wait. You need to have those three things. You don't chase. You have to wait. And then you have to have patience. Those three things in the stock, when you trade or when you invest, if you can have those three things, you'll be all right. Those three things. Don't chase. Chasing mean after the stock been going up, you don't go after it. Pas chercher, pas there. Don't just wait. If you miss it from bottoming from the support here, instead you're supposed to buy here, and if you miss it and it's going up, don't chase it, because it's gonna go back. It's gonna hit the resistance, because we have those two things. Those are the key. Those are the key for the stock market: resistance and support. If you can manage those two things very well, you'll be all right. Because stock market, you trade, do everything. Those two things every day. It go up, down, up, down. So it go back up to that resistance, and it will go back there to that support. It go back to the resistance and go back to that support. Move back and move down. Move down. It's a fight. We call that buyer, and we call there seller. Sellers. So the resistance is a place for the sellers. Always. Sellers been waiting at that resistance there. C'est place, c'est côté que tout le monde a vendu, chita, you turn, you turn. You see, they're waiting there at the resistance. That's we call seller for resistance. We call buyers at the support. Buyers been waiting at support, and sellers been waiting up at the support, at the resistance. So therefore, stock been going from support to resistance, back again to support, it move up to resistance, back to support, move back up to resistance. As soon as you can do those three things, you'll be all right. You can don't chase. Whatever is going up, always been going up. Don't go after it. Don't go after it. Wait, it's gonna come back right there. It's gonna come back there again to that same support. And it's move up, and it's gonna come back again. So you don't chase. And then you wait, because it's moving up. And then what you're gonna do yourself, you wait there. Wait for it there. Don't chase. Wait there. Wait at which you have to wait at support. Wait right there at the support. We'll come back, and then you catch it. But as I've been told you, sometimes it can break the support. That's why you have to have patience. You have a better chance. You have a better chance to buy it lower. You see? You miss it from there. But it can go lower to that support here. Because what happened? The candle, the price can break that support and move lower and move down here. Let's say this one was $50. So when he move back down, it's 20, let's say it's 46 or 45. You see? Now you buy it less than $5. It's even better. So it can break lower. Now it creates what we call a new support here. And that support here become resistance. That's why we say support can become resistance. Resistance can become support. So therefore, what you do, you don't chase. You wait for the stock to come back down, because surely it will come back where it's come from. Stock, that's all it's been doing every day. It's been going up and down. Don't chase. And it's been doing three things every day, as I've told you. It's been going up, down, and it's doing sideways. So whenever stock been doing sideways like this, that's a dangerous place to buy. If you don't know what you're doing, don't ever buy there, because that's how they say. That means it doesn't go higher nor too low. So it's just go one place, go there, and it's just. If you don't know how to trade, you don't know your technical analysis very well, sideways, that's the worst place for you to get in, because you don't buy from sideways. But people who really know or very fast, they can just buy there and sell here, buy there and sell here, buy there and sell here. So stock market is like, because they can do that fast. But most of the traders, they stay out when stock is on sideways. The best time to buy at support, and then you sell at the resistance. So therefore, you buy there, here, that's a place to buy, and then it's moved back up, you sell at your resistance again. Support and resistance. Those are the two keys that you need to be able to do. If you can manage those two keys very well, you'll be all right. Is resistance and support. Traders use those things to make profit in this by manage your support and your resistance there. So, as I told you again, stock been doing two things most of the time: going up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what it's been doing. And you always put that in your mind. Always buy at the bottom. Some people, they try to buy. When you buy there, you lose money. You don't ever buy at resistance. Don't do that. The only way you can buy at resistance, if the candle break that resistance. Sometimes if you trade, the candle can break resistance, but it can be what you call a fake out. It can be a fake break. That's why you have to watch it. We call that fake out or a fake break. So what happened? You can pretending that it fake, it break it, and what happened? Suddenly you go back down. So what you have to do, I'm gonna give you the best technique. So what you have to do when for instance, when the candles break that resistance, you have to wait. You have to always wait. That's why we told you the chase, wait, and patient. So what you do, you wait to see if it gonna form a new candle that's close higher than the previous candle. I'm gonna repeat again for you that don't know. Let me try to erase everything. I'm giving you a free tutorial here for free today. That's a class for free. This class is very free. So, by the way, we have offered a class also for trade. If you need no for class, vous pouvez aller sur website là qui c'est www.amadoudieu.com. RYFASTOR. I'm going to show you the website. Tout à l'heure, je vais montrer nos website là. So we have a 5 days boot camp. We teach you the stock market step by step. Those technical. So what we've been told you now, we have, let's do that again. Okay, let me put I always like to put the resistance word. We call that again your resistance, because if you can manage your resistance and support, you'll be all right. And then we're gonna call this one support. I'm just teaching you how to buy, the best way to buy in the stock market when you buy. Now, please, if you just like and share the live, please. Thank you. Now, what happened? We said that stock been going up, down, up, and down. That's it's been doing every day, and it do sideways. Now, you always buy back there at support. Always. You don't buy at the resistance, you buy there. For instance, the stock is at $50. We call this one, let's say we call this one Apple stock. Let's just give you a name. Let's just call Apple stock. And the price is at $250. Let's say it's $250. So that's $50. So you always buy there, you buy at $250. You buy the support, always at the support. And then you sell back there. You sell always at resistance. Let's say you sell at $275. Let's say you make like $25 bucks. So you buy at $250 at the support, and you sell at resistance and then you wait for the stock to come back down. You don't remember I told you, for people that just come up, you don't chase. You do 3 things. You don't chase. You always wait. And you need patience. You have to have patience in the stock market, even though you trade. Now, so what happened there? If for any reason that you miss the 250 you buy, you don't chase it. You don't ever chase. You don't chase. So because stock has already been high. Remember, when you buy there's a big difference. When you buy 275 instead of buy 250. So some people, that's why people always say they lose money, because they buy too high. Don't try to buy too high, because when you buy there, you're gonna lose money. Now, if you trade, the only reason that's I've been told you can buy when it start going back there. You can buy at resistance. Unless the candle is break. Sometimes stock can be breaking, but it does what it does, a fake out. Is what we call a fake out. So it's like it pretend that it break, and what happen? Suddenly come back down. And sometimes it can come back a little bit here and then move higher. So what you have to wait for the stock, the price to move and close higher. It form another candle back there, and this candle has to be closed above. See, these candles has to be closed above the previous one. You see, for instance here, we call this one a fake out. Sometimes it can go there and then quick back. But that's why we told you have to wait or patient. So what happened there? This candle there, and the next candle that's come up, this candle has to be closed. It has to be closed completely above this previous candle. We call that previous candle. This previous candle. Previous candle. So meaning you can wait. So that's the only way you can buy at support. The way, especially when you trade, got for the next candle, this candle break a bull. If this candle come up and then it might be another fake out, it might be come back again. So the only way you have to do it, you got to wait for this candle. This candle, you see there? Again. Sometimes candle can come up here. It will fake out. It move back down. So what you have to wait to do your buy, you got to wait a next candle. Be patient. Wait for the next candle from here and close. You see this candle here? This candle has to be closed completely. It has to be closed above. You see that it's above this candle. That means it's above the previous candle. So now, if you see this candle there is closed above, like I just put here, above. If it close above this previous candle, yes, the stock has chance to move higher, because this candle move. It has to be a green candle. Remember that it has to be a green candle. So it has to be green. So it has to be green. So whenever this candle is green and it close above the previous one, yep. Now it's gonna create another resistance a low above. Now this one, you see that resistance here, gonna become support, because this one will be that one there. Resistance. This one gonna be a resistance now, and that resistance becomes support. That's why we say resistance becomes support. This one will be a support, because this one gonna create a new resistance. Yeah. All right. So don't forget to go to my website. We got some class for you. If you really, that's a website there. We offer a class. Just go there, which is a join the 5-day bootcamp. You can click on enroll, and the website is ryfastores.com. www.ryfastores.com. So, and we have shopping there where we have some great things for you. And if you need to shop, we have great thing there for you, where you can buy your hat things for the summer. You can buy pour chapeau, you get hat, and you got those cup there. As you can see, we have great cup. We have those stainless cup where you can go camp wherever you're going to work, anywhere. And those are the cup. And when you go to our website, we have those shirts there for the summertime. We have great hat for you. We got those great Wakun t-shirt for kids. We have bags, everything. Just do me a favor, just visit our website there, which is www.ryfastores.com, which is yfastores.com, where you visit. We got all those pretty things for you. We have different hat, different color there. We have those shirts. We have those for kids, Wakun t-shirt, different color. And not only that, if you click on the join the 5 days bootcamp, you can enroll, where we teach you things about those class here, about TradingView. And for those who don't know how to use TradingView, we teach you in this class step by step how to use it step by step. So therefore, those tools, because if you have TradingView, you have to know how to use them. In this class, we teach you 2 modules. The first one, we teach you about how to use those tools there, how to use them. It's only $100, this class. Go to the website, and thereafter, we teach you step by step about those candlesticks, the price action, everything. Because before you even start trading, you got to know how to use trading, and you need an app, you need a website. So TradingView is one of the best website or app that you can use, and we put a 15% discount there for you. You're gonna click a link, and if you want to purchase this website, we put a 15 discount for you. So I think TradingView costs $14 or $19. With my 15% discount, it's gonna cost you less. Click on the link there and also take the class. What I'm gonna teach you again, I'm gonna teach you one of the best moving average. After we've been talking about this, we're gonna talk now. Let's see if we're gonna talk about something else now about moving average. I'm gonna show you one of the best moving average that you can use as a key that can help you trading. If there is one of the moving average that you can use, I always told people the 9 moving average is one of the best moving average. I'm gonna show you in the TradingView app how to use this app. So by the way, do me a favor, just like and just send some like, some give something what you can do. Thank you for everybody that's been doing that. Join us, and then thank you, and we're there for you to teach you step by step. Yep. And on the website also, we got some great yoga blocks for people that's doing exercise. If you go to gym everywhere, those yoga blocks, very nice. We have this. When you visit our website, which is www.ryfestores.com, which is this website there. Go there, you have those, everything. We have cups, as we told you, with cups, stainless cup. They are very cheap there. Just do me a favor, do that for me. And we have great yoga blocks there. And as I've been told you, we got also do the hat, those things here, t-shirt. Click on the thing. We have books there. Whatever you need, just do a visit there. The website is W. I'm gonna put the link for you. I will put the link there. I will put it, so if you want to visit, just do me a favor. That's the link. I will tap it there. I put it and I'll send it for you as a text. Okay, I sent to you. I sent that's the website there. And then here you go. Yep. So I put it there for you, which is www.ryfestores.com. Once you visit the website, you will be able to do them. And then, if you want to take one of those classes here, go click on the join, the 5-day bootcamp. You click on enroll, and I think class is only $100. You're not gonna get this nowhere. $100. In this class, as I've been told you, it's just for the beginner, people that know nothing about. But we teach 2 modules there. Remember, we teach you about like this thing here, which is the TradingView. We teach you how to use the TradingView platform, because all those tools that you've been seeing there, we teach you how to use them. And we teach you about those indicators, how to use them step by step. If you don't know how to use TradingView, because TradingView is very easy, but sometimes it's complicated for people who don't know. And we teach you step by step there. And also the second module we put there for you, we teach you step by step about those candles. You need 2 things if you're gonna trade, if you're really serious about it. First thing, you need an app to use, and we teach you step by step how to use this app. Secondly, we teach you about candles, because candles are very important for you to know, because those are the price action. So we teach you how they move in a short. It's only $100. We're not gonna get those 2 modules. After you get this, now you can be ready to start learning about trading. But you need those 2 things first. And then visit us in this website I put there, and then we will be there. Hello guys, hello the entire, hello everybody. So I say hi to everybody. Just likes to share the live. We're gonna do a recap before we come back here, because I'm gonna teach you about one moving average that can give you profit. Again, don't forget to visit our website there, which is www.ryfastores.com. You click on the 5 days bootcamp for the class. And if you need to buy anything like t-shirt there, you click there, you click where it says shop the Wi-Fi collection. And then you click, you buy anything. Do me a favor, do that. Thank you. That's your Wi-Fi collection. Now, before we move there, I'm going to do a recap for you for those that just come up, because I like to show people things. Well. Yep. Remember, we said that we're talking today about, mostly we're talking about technical analysis. We says technical analysis is a method used to evaluate and predict the future price movement. That's all we've been doing now. And we said that, we said this one, all right. We said stock market been doing two things. And those two main things, if you're good about it, we've been told you, if you can manage your resistance very well, those are the key in trading. That's why I've been keep telling you about it. If you can manage this very well in trading, this key there, that's a recap before we go back. The resistance and your support. It's just a recap, and then we will go back there. And we call that your support. If you can manage those two things very well, and we have been told you the stock been doing two things, but most of the time he's doing three things, but most of the time he's doing two things. Stock been going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it's going sideways sometimes. Sideways means it doesn't go too high nor too low. So it's been going, what you call that? We call this one sideways. That's a recap. So stock been doing three things every day. When the stock market opened from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, this is what it's been doing for the day. But most of the time it's been doing two things. It's a fight. It's always a fight between, it's a box between the buyer and the seller. The buyer and the seller. Buyer said, let me get there. Seller said, let me push down. Buyer said, let me go up. Seller said, let me push down. So what happened? The buyer come from down. The buyer moved the price up. Bim. And the seller come up. The seller said, no, it's not good. Let me push the price down. Seller push it down. Pew. We call this one buyer here, because buyers always waiting at the support, and seller always waiting at resistance. So buyers there, always there. That's their place. Is a sucker. That's the place. Defense. They've been waiting there. Those are the buyers and sellers. Buyers always waiting there at the support. That's their place. And sellers themselves waiting at resistance. That's sellers at resistance. These buyers at the support. They're waiting there. It's a fight. So buyers push the price up, and seller push the price down. So you, as a buyer, you wait there. Pim. That's your place. You buy. And you can become now a sellers, and you sell here. That's your place. You buy at $10, you sell at 15. You make $5 bucks. And then you wait to come back. And I told you there are three things that you need to be able to do: the chase, wait, and patient. Patient and wait are almost the same, similar. Now, chase, you don't ever chase. Don't chase. Don't ever chase. Don't chase in the back end. Chasing mean if you miss it from that support there at $10, don't just go back. Don't go after it. Pass Sheshil. If it's going to move up, don't worry about it. Because if you chase it, you know what's gonna happen to you? You're gonna be buy it there. You're gonna lose money. You're gonna buy at $15. You're gonna buy it too high. And when you come back down, you see you miss, you minus $5. You minus $5. So that's why we don't chase. Now, if you miss it if it's already been going high, what you have to do, you wait back there. You wait back there again. Because whatever is going up will come back down. It's going to come back down somewhere. If it doesn't come back today, it will come back tomorrow. It will come back next day. It will come back in 30 minutes. It will come back somewhere. You wait. That's a good key. If you can catch this key that I'm just giving you today, you'll be all right. Most of the time, that's the reason why most people are losing. They don't have patience. They cannot wait. If you cannot catch anything today, just catch the key today. Chase, wait, patient. And also, if you miss your buy point, you don't chase it. Wait for it. It's gonna come back. Don't worry about that. Okay, your friend already make $15. Don't chase what your friend did. Wait. Back here. It's going back up. You don't chase it. It's gonna come back down back again at support. And I've been told you again, if you can manage these two keys, resistance and support, you don't need nothing. Most of the time, if you can manage these two, because we buy at the support, what there? We buy what there? We always buy the support. Whatever you put, whatever in the short, we have what you call interval day. We have whatever you put. Whatever you put, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, interval as a time. 1 minute you buy support, you sell at resistance. Let me just show you clear. I'm gonna show you that again. 1 minute, whatever you buy, 1 minute, don't worry about that. Because stocks been doing. I'm giving a great teach today. If you can catch it, you'll be all right. Those are free today. We don't charge you for those. It's free. That's why, if you can help me, just go to my website, do something, buy something. That will be a great thanks. You see what we do? I'm going to show you those intervals. We have what you call interval 1 minute. We have 2 minutes. We have 5 minutes. We have 15 minutes. We have 30 minutes. We have 1 hour. We have 4 hours. We have daily. We call that interval time. So whether we have your resistance there, and we have our support there, it's the same thing. Whether it's 1 minute, whether it's 1 minute, it's 2 minutes, it's 5 minutes. Whether you buy at those interval time, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours daily, it's the same thing you follow. You follow your support and your resistance, PIM. Your support, in 1 minute, you do the same. If you're gonna do trade for 1 minute, you buy at 1 minute at with support. We call that support. We call that resistance. Again, last thing I'm gonna do before we move forward. And we call that support here. All right. So whether you're gonna buy for your interval day or time, like 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you follow the same step. The same thing, the same rule. You just follow you buy at support, PIM, and you sell at resistance. You sell You buy again at support, and you sell at resistance. You buy again at support, and you sell at resistance. You follow this rule. You buy if you do trade for 5 minutes, same thing. You buy at support and you sell at resistance. You do 30 minutes interval day, trade at for 30 minutes, you do the same thing. You buy at support, you sell at resistance. You trade for 1 hour, trade time, interval time, you buy at support, you sell at resistance. You do for 4 hours trading, so you do interval time 4 hours, you do the same thing. You wait, you buy at the support, you sell at resistance. If you do it for daily, you do the same thing. You buy at support, you sell at resistance. So whatever time, whatever interval time you're doing is the same thing. You just follow this step. Resistance, support. And if you can catch this very well, support and resistance. If you like it, just do me a favor. Just say you like it, or if you don't like it. Hey, hi, how's it going, NG? So that's what we've been talking about to do, NG. Just share the live. We told you, NG, before we move back, we told you in the trading, we have what you call buyers and sellers. If we can do those three things, you don't chase, you can wait, you are patient, you can make good money, you can get profit. And what we've been told people before you move, we told them the stock market have resistance and it has what we call support. And we told people those are the keys. And we buy here and we sell at resistance. We buy here again and we sell at resistance. That's the key. If you can manage this. And I told people, you don't chase. You don't chase the market. You don't chase it. Do not chase it. You wait. So what you have patience. So you buy back there at support, and then you sell. So you don't chase it. If the price already been moved high, don't chase it. Wait. That's the key. Wait, because it's gonna come back down. Whatever's been going down will come back up. Whatever's been going up will come back down somewhere. You wait, and then if you miss it back there, don't chase it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Because you're gonna get there. So you can do two things. Either is break this level here, which is the wall. Remember that? The resistance is a wall. It can be the price can hit resistance. You come back down. Hit it back down. Sometimes you can go over it. Move it back. The support is breaking. So what we've been told you, if for any reason it breaks, let me do something for you. If for any reason it breaks, the waist, you see, it breaks there, the price break. When it go down, it's moved down. If for any reason the price is break that support, don't just jump on it. That's the only way you can buy at resistance. What will be happening now, you got to wait for a next candle to be formed, to come up. And the next candle, this candle has to be closed. You see that? It has to be closed, completely closed above. It has to be closed above the previous one, which is this one is the previous candle. That's the only way you buy at resistance. You buy when it creates a new green candle that closes higher or above. This candle has to be completely closed above this candle. You see, that's a candle. Remember, this candle can be a fake out. It can break there, it break the wall, but it can be fake out. It can come back again. It can come back down. So this candle can break here. See, this candle can break, but it can be a breakout. You see what can be happen? It can turn back down to that support. So this is why you got to have patience to wait. That's the only way you can buy at the resistance. You have to wait for the next candle. This candle that's been closed above. This candle has to be closed completely above this one. And at the time now, stock can move higher now. It has a chance to move higher and create another resistance there. Because now resistance can become support. This resistance there will become support now. And this one is the highest. So that's the way start doing every day. All right, my friend. Don't forget to visit my website again, as I've been told you. We have this website there. If you like it, let me know. Just share and send a like, please. Thank you. Go to the website. We offer your class there. Click on the join the 5-day boot camp and click on enroll now. And in that way, we teach you about, in this class, we teach you about those candlestick, and also we teach you about step by step about those candlestick, and also we teach you about those tools. We teach you how to use trading view, because sometimes people have trading view, they don't know how to use it. We teach you all those tools step by step. The class is only $100. It's so cheap, so you can get it. And then just go to, that's this website, you're gonna get the class. When you go there, you click on join. The website, I already sent it. This is the website again for those people that just come up. We almost there. www.ryfe store. I share it. Just you're gonna see I just share the website, and then when you get there, when you tap the website in your browser, you click on enroll. Class is only $100. Do me a favor. And if you want shopping something, we have those things there. Very nice hat. We have different color there, and we have those things here. You can there. All right. So I'm gonna teach you the last thing here before we go about. Remember, I told you we're gonna teach you about one best moving average that you can use today. If I was going to use one moving average, one of the best moving average I will use, we'll call 9 moving average, and I'm gonna teach you step by step comment ça marche, how the moving average works. Hello, Ninja. How's everybody doing? Hi, guys. Hi, Ninja. Thank you for joining. Share, like, and subscribe. Follow us. And also, don't forget, when you go to the website, we have those things here, those cup there, stainless cup. It's for people that's doing exercise. If you go to work, we got different color there. And also, we have those yoga blocks. These yoga blocks for people that's doing exercise. We have different color, different style. When you visit our website, they are there. Thank you for visiting. It's a break. We've been taking a break now. Hi, Cindy. Hi, everybody. Hi, Cozy now. Well, how those moving, we're going to just use one moving average for you. Those, that's what we'll be talking about. We told you about those, we call those interval day. We have 30 seconds, we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. And Dory, Paquito, each candle you see there, we are actually in daily interval day. So each candle represent 1 day. This one day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. Whenever you switch to different interval, it's different day, different candle. Move 1 hour, meaning each candle there represent 1 hour. So therefore, each of them represent 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour. It's not the whole shot represent 1 hour. It's each candle. That's 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Now, if you move to different interval, you move to 15 minutes. That means each candle there represent 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15, 15, 15. We teach you those things step by step. If you take this class, if you don't know nothing about candlestick, in this class, when you click on the join here, when you click there, join the 5-day bootcamp. The class is only $100, and we teach you. If we go to our website, we share the website there, and when you go, you click there where it says join the 5-day bootcamp. And if you need to shop, you shop there. But if you're gonna take a trading class, because the website is only is for trading, but we have a online shopping there too. So if you click on it, and then you're gonna see, because we have this website, this RYFA website there, and we have where you can shop with us. If you have any question, just click on the shot there, and you leave your name, you type your name there, and any question, and then we come back to you. And then you click on the join the 5-day bootcamp there. All right, and then you can take this class. We teach you all the steps here, how to use those candlestick step by step. All right, and we teach you the tools of the trading view. All right, so we got like 5 minutes. Let's go. I'm gonna show you one of the best moving average that you can do. Hey, how you doing, Cindy? Just share a like. Now, the moving average we're gonna use. When you're gonna use it, you click there on indicator, and you look for moving average. I'm gonna use today, instead of using moving average, simple moving average, I'm gonna use the exponential moving average for you. Let me just click there again. I click moving average, exponential. And then once you click there, it's already been plotted to your chart. It's already added. So if you take this class, if you don't know how to use TradingView, as I told you, take the class and we teach you step by step how to use, like a baby, step by step, how to use this app there. And you take you there to all those charts. Now, this is the moving average. How the moving average work now is one of the best key that you can use for your profit. So basically, profit in the market. So how that works? The blue line, we see that it calls moving average. How that works? So the moving average, we always said, whenever the blue line is two things. Whenever the blue line, the moving average is below, I'm gonna put that for you, below. Whenever it is below whenever the moving average, the line is below the price, we call the price, which is the candles. Those are the candles, those are the price. This is the price here. All those candles, we call it price. That's why people use candlestick, because they can see the price action better. That's why we teach you in the class everything about those candlesticks. Now, if you need to know more about the candles, just take this class. Hey, what's up, Betty? Now, it's below the moving average. So whenever the moving average is below the price, we call this one price. We call candlesticks price. So whenever the moving average, which is the blue line, is below the price, stock is bullish. So that means stock is moving higher. We have what we call bullish in the stock. Is two things: bullish versus bearish. Bear. Let's just call it bear. We call it bear. So those are the two things the stock is doing. It's doing bullish So what happened there? Whenever the moving average is below, you see, because the line which is the moving average below has been below the price. So that means that's why we got an uptrend here. You see, price is moving up very high. As soon as the moving average can still below the price, stock is bullish. Now, when you buy, you got to watch your moving average. See if your moving average is being moving back down. All right? So I'm going to show you where the moving average now is moving cross above. So now back there, as you can see there, the moving average now is above. Here is above, as you can see there. That's a big difference you can make when you buy. Moving average here is above, and there, the price now is below. So I'm going to teach you again to see so you can have a better chance to see it better. So whenever the moving average is below, you see, moving average is below, the price stock is moving higher. We call that bullish. We call this one bullish here. We know in the stock market we have two things. We have bullish and there is bearish. Bearish. So what happened there? Whenever, again, the moving average is below, you see, moving average is below the price, which is candles, stock is bullish. Now, the moving average from there crossing now above, you see? As soon as you can see the moving average is crossed above the price, stock is bearish. That's why you see there, stock is bearish, the price is under. Those are the way you make your difference before you buy. Because moving average is above and price is bearish. Now, if you have to buy, now I'm going to show you something. Let me just clean it for you again. I'm going to add it. Moving average, you go there, indicators. If you need to know more, just click on my link there and you get to the class. Now, we add it for you. If you have to buy, when you use moving average, you can buy back there. See, as soon as you see the moving average cross below, you can buy. I will buy from this candle there. Here, you can buy there. Ukashtela, buy. That's a good sign of buying here. Because moving average here, you see, moving average here is crossed below and price is moving up. So if you have bought there, you can be in the trade, stay in the trade, because as soon as the moving average is still below the price, you see, moving average is still below and price is still above, you see, price is still above. You can be still in the trade. You will be in the trade for the 1 hour trade. If you do a 1 hour time frame, for that 1 hour, you can still stay in the trade because your moving average is still below the price. You see, and price still moving. And then you're gonna make some good. You see, that's a good profit from there to there. And then you sell back there. You can sell back here. Or sometimes, as soon as you see now the moving average sloping, the moving average sloping down. You see what happened there? Moving average don't go straight down there. What it does, sloping here. As soon as you see sloping, make a curve, that means it's about to go, the stock is about, the price is about to go down. So the blue line is sloping. You can catch and sell. You just sell back here. You buy, you sell. Because what happened there? One of the most reason that you sell is because the moving average now is crossing above the price. Price now is below, and you sell you out because moving average is above. The moving average cannot be above the price. Whenever it's above, that's a bearish. Bulls, bullish, bearish, down. So now stock is bearish. You get out. You bought there because the moving average is below, price is above, you buy. And as soon as you see the moving average now is above and price is down, is below, you sell. You got it now? That's the way. Let me clean it, and we're gonna do a last recap, and I think we'll be done for today. Let me clean everything, and I will add it for you. Again, as I've been told you, don't forget to visit our website, and you can shop with us. You can have shout out no. That's the place we do our boot camp. We have a class that called Join the 5-day boot camp, where we teach you step by step how to trade. But the most thing that we do for you there, we teach you how to use Trading View for those who don't know how to use the trading app. We teach you how to use tool there, step by step, how to use the tool there in this class. And we teach you about those candlesticks, step by step, how to use. But you got to visit our website there, and we already shared there under my name there, which is www.ryfastores. And if you need to shop there, we click on the shop there, and you're gonna see when you click there, you're gonna take you to the shop thing where we have nice hat. We have those very nice cup there, stainless cup if you go to work. And also we have those yoga blocks for those that's doing exercise. Those yoga blocks. Just help me, just buy something there. And you click on the join shop here, and this is a shop. And we have very pretty nice hat. Our wife. We have those raccoon